Canva is a company providing AI-based services. We are now creating an end-to-end continuous improvement platform to our customers in different sectors. The main problem that we are solving in the project is actually the time-consuming cycle time measurements and lack of manual operations data in the factories. How we solve it is by using AI-based technology. So in our project, our main goal is to demonstrate a software as a service platform into 3 manufacturing operations in the SME by recording videos from these operations, uploading them into our platform and analyzing them with AI. The main thing that we provide is that users can take these videos using any tablet, camera, phone or GoPro, any type of recording device, and they just need some temporarily fix the camera above the operations area, and that's it. After the recording, they just upload these videos into our platform. Thanks to Mind4Machines, we had the opportunity to work with the industrial partner, see the commercial extent of the product, gain insights and improve ourselves.
𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓𝐒𝐌𝐄 is a company that produces lighting products for car industry, also outer mirrors. First of all, we use before this platform, we use the old way of calculation, the time measurement and improvement. We use Excel table for evaluation. The time and the Excel are our main software program for this kind of things. But now with the Canva solution and the software, it's so much faster, and it have a like friendly user and a simple way for calculation. You can reach this platform anytime. It's a big database. You can look whole shift of and analyze, and you can also analyze the more shift, third shift, second shift, and first shift, and to see what is the variation between the shift and between the operators. I think that this kind of project have future, really real future.